Hello viewers, I am astrologer Dr. Shifali. Today my topic is a little bit different and that is women empowerment. Happy Women's Day to all of us, all of you. And the topic why I am discussing, because I so many times I feel this women empowerment. What is that? Means what? Women empowerment means what? Do you think women must be empowered? Do you think? And if you are thinking, then why? Women women are the source of power, and then why empowerment? They themselves are source of power. Women are only full source of power, right? Then why empowerment? What is the need of that? Woman empowerment means the power which women already possesses must be brought out from them. How? How will you bring them out? How to? Must be brought out. How will you bring? By supporting her. Either you are a man, either you are a man or a woman, you have to support. By supporting her, by loving her, by respecting her, and by caring her, right? So many ways to empower the woman. Woman is a power, Shakti. What do you say? Don't you feel? Only woman can empower herself by being 100% to herself. Ladies, woman we say, and now I'm telling something different. So, woman empowerment is needed or not, that's a discussion point. But the thing I know and I feel and I very well tell you that women are themselves only, women themselves only power. They don't need to be empowered, because if you are taking care, loving, respecting, naturally they are empowered. So come on, ladies, come on, be 100% to yourself. First of all, be 100% to yourself, because what you do full day, you are working, you are doing something, but not for you, and that is needed for you. So be 100% to yourself. Okay, that is first step of empowerment of women. Okay, and that is needed. Fine. So the other thing, I'll say stand up. I'll say stand up and get ready. Whatever circumstances you are going through, I don't think that you have to be down. Why you have to be down? No way. Fine. Yes, you are a mother. Yes, you are a daughter. Yes, you are a wife. Yes, you are a sister. Same way, you are maybe your mother-in-law, you are sister-in-law, you are daughter-in-law, you are auntie. Okay, so many roles you are doing. And why you are not doing anything for yourself? You have to do, you have to empower yourself by only you. No one else can do this. Okay, so I wish that you all will do this thing. Please wait, I'm telling you something else also. Please wait. So what I'm saying now, you are playing so many roles in daily routine. Do you play your role? Do you play your role? What you are? Think. That is must for you. I suggest some of the points, please note in your diary. Okay? And do every day in routine. And that is the real empowerment of women that I'm telling you. Please note it down. Do take care of yourself. Do take care of your health. I don't say that don't care for any other person. Take care of your family. That is routine. That is natural. That is must. Okay. But although you need to do take care of yourself. Do take care of your health. Do meditation, do yoga, do exercise, and do enjoy. Enjoy your life. Don't take your life as it's too heavy. Don't make your life heavy. Keep it light. Okay. Now I'm telling other points. First step, maintain positivity. Don't think negative. Maintain positivity. Surround yourself by positivity. Stay with positive people. Think positive. Read positive. Second thing, start sharing. Start sharing. Sharing with your friends, sharing with your family. Okay, whatever you feel. Other thing, start saving. Whatever money do you feel like, I am having this much money, put some money in savings. Don't spend total money. Start savings. Love all people. All people. Although they don't. You love all the people. Although they don't love you. No need to think for that. Okay. Support other ladies. Don't think that she is not supporting me. Why should I support? Okay. Don't think that. Either she can be your friend. Either she can be your mother-in-law. Either she can be your daughter-in-law. She can be your daughter even. She can be your relative. She can be your neighbor. Anyone. Anyone. Okay. Don't think what they are doing for you. Just do whatever you want. Okay. Love all people although they don't. Support other ladies. Support other members. Support your family. Support yourself. Okay. And finally be you. Be you, whatever you are. My purpose of making this video is real woman empowerment. Real woman empowerment. Because I don't need any woman down. I want their power out. Yes, I want it. Okay. So be you. And finally, happy Women's Day. All the best. Stay positive. Keep in touch. Love you all.